Hello everyone, today we're going to look at another LeetCode problem, missing number. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range from 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So as an example, we are given 301, we can see that obviously 2 is missing. Because the largest number in this array is 3, and we don't have 2 inside of it, here we return 2. So for example, 2, we had an array like this. We had 0 and 1. Since 2 is the largest possible number, we return 2. For example, 3 is the same idea. So given this array, we return 8 because we know that all of our numbers are going to be between 0 and 9. And 8 is the only number that is missing from it. Here's we have a follow-up. Implement a solution using only all of one actual space complexity and all of one running time. They want us to do something like to see if we can actually solve it using constant actual space. So the idea here is that because we are told that numbers 0 up to n without any duplicates, we just have like distinct numbers in arrays. We can really take advantage of a concept called Gauss law or like Gauss summation. Here's the formula. So what this says is basically we could use this formula to count up the sum of everything, like natural sum of numbers from 1 up till n. For example, here, if our n is 3, we're gonna count up the sum of numbers like 1, 2, 3, and it's still gonna to be like the formula here, n times n minus 1 divided by 2. So following this kind of like logic, we can basically sum all the numbers up from 1 to n. And also here we have an example from the problem. That's problem 1. So we have n equals 3, and by formula we can figure out that the sum is 6. You can see from here. And we know that this total sum will always be greater. And then we subtract the sum of the input numbers. So the difference 2 is the number that will be missing. So that doesn't quite make sense yet. Just let's just kind of like walk through it together. Let me make it bigger. All right. So first of all, let's grab the size of n. So we don't have to keep typing this over and over again later on. So we can do n equal to length of the numbers. Now let's get a total sum, and we can call it like total sum equal to, this will be, let's see, n times n plus 1, and we have those brackets. Around it and divided by 2. Then we could just return the difference between total sum and the sum of the input numbers here. So now at the end of this, we are missing a number, right? So if we just subtract the sum of the input numbers from the total number, that should give us our missing number. Let me run this. Okay, here we go, accept it. Let me submit it. Cool. All right, this will work, and this will be all of one space and all of n time. Yeah, I hope this is helpful. And if you like it, please leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.